Tonight on Drink History, we explore Hemingway and his French connection to absinthe. I'm also going to make you Hemingway's famous cocktail that bears the name of his 1932 book. Let's get right into it. Death in the Afternoon, also called the Hemingway or the Hemingway Champagne, is a cocktail made up of absinthe and champagne or sparkling wine. The cocktail shares a name with Hemingway's 1932 book, Death in the Afternoon. Myths and legends surround the claim that the Green Fairy was the high-proof fuel for some of Hemingway's best work and subsequent demise. Hemingway was a man's man who talked the talk but also walked the walk. From fearless big game hunter to experienced deep-sea fisherman, and some say one of the greatest American writers of our time, Hemingway had a hunger for adventure and a taste for the Green Fairy. Hemingway's original instructions were: pour 1 jigger absinthe into a champagne glass. Add iced champagne until it attains the proper, opulescent milkiness. Drink 3 to 5 of these slowly. Sheesh, Hemingway, take it easy. 3 to 5 of these? And I'm passing out. It is claimed that the cocktail was invented by Hemingway with the aid of some sailors during his time in the left bank of Paris. Death in the Afternoon is known for both its unique complexity and bold character, much like Hemingway himself. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Drink History, Episode 2. It's a lot of fun to make these things. Listen, if you have any absinthe stories or drinks, please comment down below. I do have a little bit more absinthe left, so I will be doing some more absinthe drinks, so please like and subscribe and share with your favorite home bartender. And until next time, know your history and drink responsibly. Salud.